السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على نبيه محمد سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessing be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my honorable members and my dear friends. Today, I am here to tell you about Independence Day. On this day, 78 years ago, India, after a freedom struggle of 200 years, got free from British rule. It is an important day to remember the brave soldiers and leaders like Ulama Ikram, Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. Along with the remembering them, we also conduct Independence Day festivities. On this day, the Prime Minister hoisting at the Red Fort. This is followed all across the country. We also sing the national anthem, practice song, and celebrate this day by distributing sweets. It is also an important day to recognize our responsibility towards the nation. As the future generation, let us promise to make India proud and will known all over the world. Let us be good students and good citizens for our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum.